How to make your own aloe vera face wash at home. I've posted a few aloe vera soap videos before, but this time I'll be making a simple sulfate-free face wash, perfect for those with sensitive skin. Many people prefer not to use soap on their faces, especially if they have sensitive skin. Cold processed soap, in particular, has a high pH, which can sometimes cause dryness. While the negative effects of high pH cold processed soaps can be minimized through superfatting using aloe vera or lactic acid and proper curing, some people choose to avoid them altogether for personal reasons. In this 200-gram face wash recipe, I'll be using simple and easy to find ingredients that are gentle on sensitive skin. After extracting the aloe vera gel, blend it until smooth and then strain it to remove any pulp or residue. This step ensures a clear and smooth final product. Measure 161 grams of aloe vera gel and add 30 grams of cocoa glycoside. Cocoa glycoside is a mild, plant-derived surfactant that gently cleanses the skin without stripping away its natural moisture. It also helps create a light lather, making the face wash feel more luxurious. Next, add 2 grams of sodium lactate. Sodium lactate is a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, keeping the skin hydrated. It also adjusts the pH of the face wash, making it more skin-friendly. Then add a preservative. Preservatives are essential in any water-based product to prevent microbial growth and extend the shelf life. Without preservative, the face wash would spoil quickly and become unsafe to use. In a separate bowl, mix 4 grams of glycerin with 1 gram of xanthan gum soft. Xanthan gum soft is a special variant of xanthan gum that provides a smoother, non-sticky gel texture. If you don't have xanthan gum soft, you can use the regular xanthan gum instead. Once the xanthan gum is fully mixed into the glycerin, add it to the aloe vera and cocoa glycoside mixture. Stir well and let it sit for at least an hour to allow the xanthan gum to fully hydrate. Add a few drops of your preferred essential oil. This will enhance the skin benefits of your face wash and give it a pleasant fragrance. Finally, pour your homemade aloe vera face wash into your preferred container. A pump or squeeze bottle works best for easy use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. This is Danny. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.